Good morning to all.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, sit down. So, yesterday, means last class, we were continuing that area and perimeter of circle. Previous to the yesterday's class, already we finished the area of a rectangle, area of a square, area of a triangle, area of a rhombus, and then now we are studying area of circle. Already I said you, so circle is a closed geometrical figure. Every point on its circumference is equidistant from a given point, which is called the center. So, circle is a closed geometrical figure. Every point on the circumference, it is equidistant, and this is called the circle. And two circles, they make the two radius. They make one. What it is? Diameter. Already about all these things I have said you, and also I have said you, area of a circle, it is equal to pi r square. Suppose in a question r is not given, but d is given, diameter given. Then what you will do? First you will find the r means radius. Whatever the diameter will be given to you, divide it by 2. You will get the radius. Then by using the formula, you can get it. You can get the area of the circle. Also I have said you about the area of a ring. This is a ring. The area of a ring is equal to area of bigger circle minus area of area of smaller circle. So if the radius of the two circles will be given to you, then you can find the area of the ring. How can you find the width of the ring? Width. This is called the width. Here to here, it is called the width of the ring. Width. So, width of the ring. Width of a ring, you can say ring or circular track. It is equal to outer radius minus inner radius. Outer radius means here to here, this radius minus this radius. दिस फुल आउटर रेडियस से अगर ये इनर रेडियस को हम माइनस कर देंगे, काट देंगे, तो क्या मिल जाएगा? विड्थ मिल जाएगा, विड्थ. ओके, सो अबाउट एक्सरसाइज 14F, ऑलरेडी आई डिड few questions yesterday. Today I am just explaining some other questions from this exercise. Exercise 14F. So exercise 14F. Up to question number 8. 7 we did yesterday?
Yes, sir.
Yes. 8 we have not done. I am doing question number 8. Question number 8 I am doing. Question number 8. Find the area of a circular ring. Look to the book and read properly the question. So one ring is there. In question it is given one ring is there. one ring is there. This is the ring. We will find the area of this ring. Find the area of a circular ring formed by the circumference of two concentric circles of radius 11 meter and 4 meter. That means 11 meter which is given means definitely that is the capital R, outer radius, and the small radius is given, it is given how much? How much it is given? 4 meter, you are not saying. So given outer radius, that is R, it is equal to 11 meter. Inner radius, which generally we take, it is smaller, which is given, that is equal to 4 meter. It is asked to find the area, and then after it is question is there also find the cost of painting this ring at the rate of rupees 21 per meter square. So first of all we have to calculate the area. Whatever the area we will get per meter square, 21 rupees cost for painting. So that much of what we will get the answer, that into 21 we will get the total cost of painting. So first we will find what is the area. So you will write area of ring. Everybody know that what is the area of ring, but still you have to write in your copy. Area of ring is equal to pi r square minus pi small r square. This is the outer radius, outer circle ka area, and it is inner circle's area. Now this is equal to, if you will take common pi, then it is r square minus r square. Or that is equal to pi means 22 by 7 into r square. R means given 11. So it is 11 square minus 4 square. These are the smaller numbers. So you can calculate 11 square is 121 and 4 square is 16. So you can do it easily. But if it will be the bigger numbers, yesterday I said you one formula. Anything square minus another thing square is equal to this plus this into this minus this. That is the better way. That is the better way. So I am following to that way. So this is equal to pi means it is 22 by 7. Then this plus this, that means 11 plus 4 into 11 minus 4. Or that is equal to 22 by 7 into 15 into 7. 7 cancel. 330 meters square. So this is the area of the circular ring. But still again it is given per meter square the cost of painting is rupees 21. So cost of painting, total cost of painting, total cost of painting is equal to 330 into 21. So this is equal to this is your answer. So 6,930 rupees will be needed for painting this circular ring. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This side finished?
Yes, sir.
That's why I am just dividing the whole blackboard into two parts. So first of all you write this side quickly. So now, then, so this was the question number, this was question number 8. Then, question number 10. Question number 10. Ranak, you read the question.
What is the area of the circle, the circumference of which is equal to the perimeter of a square of side 11 cm?
Yes, means the question is one circle is there, one square is there, but each side of the square it is given 11 centimeter, and it is asked what is the area of this one, and also given the perimeter. The perimeter of the square, it is equal to the circumference of circle. Given perimeter of square is equal to circumference. What are the given things? You will write it. Circumference of circle. So first we will find what is the perimeter of square. Perimeter of square. Perimeter of a square. What is the formula? Perimeter. Good boys. Good boys and good girls. So perimeter of square is equal to 4 into each side. That is equal to 4 into 11. That is equal to 44 centimeter. This is the perimeter of square. Now, perimeter, it is equal to the circumference of rectangle, circumference of circle, because it is given in the question. So, perimeter we got, that is 44 centimeter. Therefore, circumference of circle, circumference of circle, it is also equal to that 44 centimeter. Already you should take care of the unit, what it is given in the question. If in question it is centimeter given and your answer will be in meter, it will be wrong. Because 1 centimeter and 1 meter, it is hell and heaven difference. Understanding? So, now what is the circumference of a circle formula? Yes? Good boy, good girl. So, that implies 2 pi r is equal to 44. Or 2 into pi means it is 22 by 7 into r is equal to 44. So first you will find here r. So therefore r is equal to, so 44 into 7, diameter divided by 2. Who said? Diameter, what is the diameter? Here you will find r is equal to, this 7 will be multiplied here and this 2 will come down. That means 2 into 22, which is equal to 44, this 44 cancel. So this is equal to 7 centimeter. The radius we got, that is 7 centimeter. But it is asked what is the to find the area. So therefore, area of circle, circle को ऐसे भी denote करते हैं symbolically. Area of circle is equal to pi r square, that is equal to pi means 22 by 7 into r square. R square means 7 into 7. 1 7 it is cancelled. So this is equal to 154 cm square. That's your answer. So the area of the circle is 154 cm square. Understood or not? Here it is, once again I am saying, here it is given the perimeter of the square is equal to circumference of the circle. One side is given, means you find its perimeter. That perimeter what we got, that is equal to the circumference of circle, because it is given in the question. Circumference of circle, it is formula 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to 44. By simplifying, we got the r value, that is equal to 7 centimeter. After getting r value using the formula pi r square, we can get the area of the circle. Understood? Yes, write quickly. This side finished?
Yes, sir.
It was question number 10. Okay. Now I am doing question number 12. Question number 12. The difference between circumference and radius of a circle is 37 centimeter. Difference between circumference and radius of a circle. So given difference. Difference means, what is the circumference of a circle? 2 pi r minus r radius. It is equal to given how much? 37 centimeter. The difference between, in question it is given, the difference between the circumference of a circle and the radius of that circle is equal to 37. And it is asked to find the area of the circle. To find area of circle. That same circle, area of circle we will find. So what it is given? 2 pi r minus r is equal to 37. You take r common. If you will take r common from here and here, then here it will be 2 pi. Here r has gone out. Means what is there? 0 or 1? Huh? Arey wah, Panda sahab. 1 is there because r 5 means what? 5 means 5 into 1. 7 means 7 into 1. R means r into 1. So 1 is there. If you will take r here common, so 1 will be there. Because anything multiplied with 1, it gives the same thing. Yes or no? This is equal to 37. Or r to rakho, ye 2 into pi. Pi means how much? 22 by 7 minus 1 is equal to 37. और r तो है, और ये इंटू होने से क्या हुआ? 44 by 7 minus 1 is equal to 37. अरे 2 into 22, that is equal to 44, no? That I did. Now, till now we have not got the value of r. So, now r को रखा मैंने. Now here I took the LCM. LCM is equal to 7. Here it is 44 minus 7. That is equal to 37. Or r into 44 minus 7 is equal to 37. 37 by 7 is equal to this side also 37 is there. Now we will find, therefore r is equal to, this will be cross multiplied. So 37 into 7 by 37. This 37 cancelled. So that implies r is equal to 7. R is equal to 7 centimeter. We got the value of r. Then we can find the area. Now, so area is equal to, क्या formula? Pi r square. Always you know area of a circle is equal to pi r square. You know, I know, everybody knows. But still you have to write for the formula you are using in the question. Okay? Directly you don't write. So this is equal to, pi means 22 by 7 into r square means 7 into 7. 1717 cancelled. So this is equal to 154 cm square. That's your answer. So if the difference between the circumference of a circle and radius of a circle is 37 centimeter, then its area will be how much? 154 cm square. Okay. So now I am giving. Okay, I am doing another questions. I am doing another question. Last question, because this side finished.
Yes, sir.
Question number between 14, 15 and 16. You say me which one I will do. If I will do one, the other two will be homework for you. You say me which one I will do. It's your choice. Not saying. So it is question number last, that is 16. I am doing. So in question number 16.
Sir, including question number 14.
Sir, 14.
That's why I asked you, say me quickly. In question number 14, one circle is there, one rectangle is there, and here these are the shaded part. Shaded portion means inside a circle a rectangle is there, and it is asked to find the area of this shaded part. Now, suppose this rectangle I am giving a name, that is A, B, C, D. Here, this length of the rectangle, it is given 12 meter. Breadth of the rectangle, it is given 5 meter. And it is asked to find the area of the shaded part. And it is said pi value, generally pi value is 22/7. But if it will be given in a question that take pi value 3.14, that is also another value of pi. So you will use that one. Here it is given, take pi is equal to 3.14. So we must use this one. Now, here you see, this is 12, this is 5. We know the diagonal of a rectangle. The answer अभी मैं करता हूँ. So the diagonal of a rectangle. No murmuring, please. The diagonal of a rectangle is equal to what? Root over semi L square plus. Yes. So this is equal to root over L. L means 12 का square. Plus b square means 5 का square, or that is equal to, after simplification it will be 169. So root over 169, that is equal to 13 meter. So we got the diagonal of the rectangle, it is equal to 13 meter. Now you say me, the diagonal of rectangle is equal to what of the radius? What thing of the radius?
What is diameter?
The diagonal of rectangle, it is equal to the diameter of circle. Diameter of circle. This one is the diameter. Yes or no? So, means diameter we got, diameter is equal to, so therefore diameter is equal to 13 by, diameter is equal to 13 meter. So, radius will be 13 by 2, this much of meter. Now, we will find, so many things are there. Now we will find what is the area of this shaded part. Area of shaded part will be equal to area of the circle minus area of the rectangle. ये जो rectangle को अगर हम काट के निकाल लेंगे तो बाकी ये रह जाएगा, ये समझो. तो area of shaded part, this part is finished.
Yes, sir.
So area of shaded part, area of shaded part, area of shaded part is equal to area of circle. Here shortly I have written AR means area. Area of circle minus area of rectangle. Here you find what is the area of a circle. Area of circle, area of circle is equal to how much? Pi? Pi r square. But here pi is given that you take 3.14. So 3.14 into r square means 13 by 2 into 13 by 2. Or that is equal to 3.14 means 314 by 100 into 13 into 13, 169 by 4. Keep it like that. That is the area of circle. You will simplify it later on. Afterwards you will just do it. Then what is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. So area of circle we got that one. You can simplify that one. You can simplify or I will simplify? Yes. So you simplify area of circle, you will get, because all are the numbers, simply calculation, division, multiplication like that. So you will get the area of the circle minus area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length into means 12 into 5, that is equal to 60. So this minus this, after subtracting you will get the answer. Area of, you will do it tomorrow. I will just, tomorrow no, on Monday. On Monday I will check your copy. Okay. So the rest of the questions, 4-5 questions, 3-4 questions, whatever the left for, it is left for you. That is the rest of the questions homework for you. Rest of the questions of this exercise, rest of questions of this exercise is homework for you. And I have said you on Monday I will see your homework copies completed all up to 14F. All total of this chapter is completed, no? So Monday definitely I will take your homework copy and I will check it. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.